Hello guys, I'm back again with another unboxing video. So this is from Amazon, like as you guys can see. And I'm finishing this part of my life. Like I need to stop buying things. I always say that, but it's like it's bigger than me. Anyway. And ta-da! I bought this one because I hate to use, the thing to clean my teeth. Like it's very watering. Like, let me see if it works. Let me. Oh my god, I have the pen, but the this is not a pen. I'm sleepy. I'm sorry. It's already 11. My brain isn't working anymore at this time. Okay. So this is the product. Here are the things. The charger, of course. And which one is better for me? I don't know. There are so many. Like, I don't even know which one is better for me. I'm gonna try this one. What is the difference? Like, anyway, I'm gonna try this one here. Yeah, my finger. Okay, so I'm supposed to put water in here. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna come back. So now I'm gonna see if it works. So it works. It's too strong. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh geez. Like, it's too strong. It really works. Yeah. So approved. Guys, it hurts. Like, my teeth are so sensible and they hurt so much when I use this. I don't know if it's because the water is so cold. I don't know. It just hurts so much. Like, I can see that cleans very good, but it hurts. Oh my god.